What's up, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video on demonstration on the new Apple TV color balancing with your iPhone. I did it with my Samsung TV. It turned out, I think, way better than the picture quality I had beforehand. So I'll just go through the motions here and show you how to do it, and hopefully it's helpful for you. So you on your Apple TV, you want to go into Settings, Video and Audio, and you go down to Calibration, and you'll see Color Balancing. You hit that. This will come up on the screen of your Apple TV. Get your iPhone. This will automatically come up on your iPhone. You see the little TV picture there. Take it, take your phone, go close to the TV. Oops, sorry. You have to continue here in the bottom here first. Start the process. So this is what comes up on the TV, on the Apple TV. Hold your phone. I had to hold my phone pretty much touching the screen of my TV for it to work really well. And you can see it says on there, turn your phone around, because a lot of people do this, they put it the wrong way. So I have to turn the phone around so the screen's facing the TV. There we go. Now the process should start. Okay, so it's complete. Let's see what we get for results. So you can see this is my color before, or with the balancing, the new balancing. This is the color without it. So to me, I get much more vibrant colors with the new balancing. So I'm going to keep those settings. And that's that. So that's how you do it. I think you should try it anyways. It's something I think is very helpful for your color settings in your Apple TV. Good luck and see how it goes.